Hi everyone, my name is Tanmay and we are in Delo Labs. We use tools of artificial intelligence to make quality digitization solutions that are low cost, non-destructive and scalable in nature. Our mission is to digitize food quality and we work with a mission to enable complete data transparency in your food supply chains. Now we understand that your consumers are special. We are all special. We as consumers have an ever-increasing sense of what we want to eat, what we want to consume, and our shopping experiences are also becoming more personalized. We as consumers want to consume food that is safe, healthy, tasty, and fresh. But how to ensure these sub-components of quality? It is a very difficult task. Because you cannot increase quality if you don't measure it. So Intel Labs helps you measure, analyze, and improve quality in your supply chains. First of all, we help you objectively quantify quality. We help you calculate a quality score. And then once we quantify quality, we help you measure it. What is the quality score of produce being displayed to the consumer? What is the quality of the produce that you are buying from your vendors? And how is quality changing throughout your supply chain? And once you measure quality, we help you analyze it. What are the major defects in each of your SKUs? Where are the defects originating from? Are they coming from the vendors? Are they coming from your supply chain? Who is responsible for those defects? The vendors or your employees who are not trained enough? And once you analyze quality, we help you improve it. We work with you to reach a 100% quality score in your supply chain. And we help you make quality process a more proactive than a reactive process. And it all happens in real time. We do it in a way that is scalable, non-destructive, and low cost. Our computer vision algorithms and deep learning algorithms process images of food commodities from your centers and retail stores. The images can be captured using your employees' smartphone or using mounted cameras in your stores. So it's pretty standard hardware. And once we capture images, our algorithms identify each unit of food in the image. And then we classify that unit of food on the basis of size, color, shape, defects, deformities. For each SKU, we have a lengthy list of defects that we can capture. Taking for example tomatoes, we have a list of 14 defects that we capture only for tomatoes. And they range from cuts, cracks, shriveled skin, unripe tomatoes, green spots, fungus, and holes. Our algorithms can even distinguish between similar looking defects. For example, we can distinguish between a regular hole, which is usually caused in the supply chain due to bad handling, and in which case the food is still safe to consume, and distinguish that from a borer hole. A borer hole is a disease, is a defect that originates from the farm, and if the food has borer hole, it is unsafe to consume. So we can distinguish between a minor defect and a major defect. And since it's the machine doing all this analysis, the analysis becomes cost effective. It's a software, so it can do analysis on a per minute basis. It is very, very objective. There is no distinction between a good tomato and a bad tomato. We exactly tell you which is a good tomato, bad tomato. It's digital, it's fast, and it's highly scalable. Now with experience, we have been productizing our solutions, our technology, and we have 4 different product modules to enhance quality throughout your supply chain. First is IntelloTrack. IntelloTrack is essentially a platform that gives you snapshots of quality at different points in your supply chain, all the way from procurement, farm, to the consumer. So for example, your procurement team can use this tool to know the quality of produce that they are buying. They can make a buy and check decision at procurement and also decide the price that they want to pay for a particular lot. Similarly, you can know the quality that is being processed at your procurement centers, at your warehouses, at your distribution centers, and at inform of your retail stores. Similarly, IntelloTrack can actually track the quality that is being displayed to your consumers in real time. If there are bad pineapples being displayed on your shelf, you know real time that you need to change something and do something about it. Second is IntelloSort. IntelloSort actually physically segregates good pieces from the bad. It can segregate pieces of units of food on the basis of size, color, shape, defects, and deformities. And we are also working on the taste parameters for IntelloSort. Third is IntelloPath. It's more for e-commerce retailing. It ensures 100% check of quality on SKUs being packed for e-commerce deliveries. And lastly is IntelloScan. IntelloScan is our in-house near-infrared spectrometer device that can detect certain properties in fruits and vegetables in a non-destructive manner. So we're talking about things like your pH values, your Brix values, sweetness, acidity, maturity, and degradation. So just by the touch of this device, you can assess certain characteristics of food. And we have a demo prototype available if anybody wants to see afterwards. So all of these products that we have developed have applications throughout your supply chain, and throughout the supply chain, they offer three key value adds. So more upstream, IntelloTrack ensures a completely transparent and objective procurement transaction, thereby ensuring that the farmers get the right value for their produce. So it's fair trade. Second value is in the midstream. IntelloTrack ensures that only the right quality enters your supply chain. And secondly, IntelloSort physically separates good pieces from the bad and therefore inhibits the spread of diseases and damages. And the third value is more downstream. We ensure customer delight. So IntelloTrack and IntelloPath ensure that only the best quality is being displayed to your customers or is delivered to your customers at home. Now looping back to the core objective of enhancing quality in a more comprehensive manner, we work with you to reach that desired end state, that nirvana state of achieving 100% quality score. And we do that by deconstructing quality. And we identify bottlenecks in your supply chain. And then we provide call to action so that we jointly, you and us, can work towards maximizing consumer delight. We have already been working with some of the recognizable brand names in the world. So we have clientele in India and now in the US. And our clients have only good words to say about us. We are working with these retailers across 30 SKUs in the fruits and vegetables category. And the scope of work is ever increasing. And lastly, I just want to mention that our solution can also be used for certain cash crops. And we are focusing on coffee and cocoa. So our product can be used on for digital grading of coffee beans, both green beans and roasted beans. And we can grade them on the basis of size, color, shape, defects, deformities, and bottom matter. And your procurement teams can use procurement teams and teams during the supply chain can use this to assess quality of coffee beans. So I'll just stop at that and allow time for questions and answers. To summarize, I would just like to say that we provide three core value adds. First is fair trade, second is less food wastage in the supply chain, and third is customer delight. And we look forward to working with you. Thanks.